Fairview, Inman Valley, Fleurieu Peninsula, a very special part of South Australia, a very special property. With commanding views over the surrounding pasturelands and the district of Inman Valley, it is easy to understand why the early settlers selected this location for the homestead. The ultimate country lifestyle awaits. The balance of life is here. The homestead, built in 1880, is a wonderful example of the times with its gracious return veranda, lofty ceilings, wide central hallway and solid crafted stone walls. Original buildings that accompanied the construction of the homestead have survived, including the original shearers and workmen's cottages and early livestock stables, part of which is now a working studio. Water security is a feature of Fairview with multiple dams and water sources. For more information and inspection times, contact Greg Webber Smith, Ray White, Normanville.